I have literally not procrastinated to make a video as much as I procrastinated to make this video because, of course, as you already read the title of the video, that I'm moving out. Not in the sense that I alone am moving out, but in the sense that we are shifting houses, my whole family. And this is going to be the last video that I'm shooting sitting here. And I am going to try not to cry in this video because I have already cried a lot. A lot. But this is the last time you're gonna see me sitting here. This is my room. The last time I'm sitting here. I mean, of course, I'm saying this thus far, but it's such a big deal because I have been living in this house for 20 years and I am very sad. Okay, I'm devastated to move to a new house. And I mean, of course, there's excitement also, obviously, but the scale of excitement is here and the scale of sadness is somewhere over here or even out of the frame somewhere. But okay, I don't want to get too emotional or sappy. I just wanted to say कि आज Tuesday है, the day that I'm shooting this, and most likely that the day that you're watching this, I would have already shifted to the new place. So yeah, it's very overwhelming. So yeah, I was saying कि आज Tuesday है and we are shifting on this Saturday, so not even a week to go, guys. And I was supposed to, oh my god, my hair. I was supposed to shoot this video last week, say, so that I could show you little glimpses of me shifting things from this house to the other one. But I just could not bring myself, like I said, कि मैंने इतना procrastinate कभी किया नहीं है. And today was the day that I had to scold myself, and I was like, कि you have to shoot this video, otherwise, मतलब, what will I post on Monday? So here I am. So while I was cleaning out a drawer, तो मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें मिली है. चीजें in the sense कि most of them are greeting cards that I and my sister had made for our dad. So I would like to show them to you because some of them were hilarious and I was laughing itna कि I was literally, tears were pouring down from my eyes because those were hilarious. Though some of them are made in 2006, 2009 तभी. So I will just show you and just like go through it. Hi, hello, sorry for interrupting, but did you see my new intro? And I mean, how cool is that? I'm obsessed with it. And I decided to change it because it's been 1 year since me posting my very first video on YouTube. So happy YouTube anniversary to me, I guess. And so I decided to change my intro, my outro, my DP, as well as my YouTube banner. So please go ahead and check them out and let me know what you think of them. And I just want to say thank you to all 280 people of you that have subscribed to my channel and those who watch my videos intently, regularly. I cannot tell you how much that means to me. And even if you're a silent supporter, I see you, I appreciate you. And I know 280 subscribers may not sound like a big number in the grand scheme of things, but if 280 people just randomly showed up to my door one day, then I would be super overwhelmed. And I feel like that just makes sense, you know, like 280 is a huge number, and I did not think that I would reach this number in a year, honestly. So thank you to everyone and keep supporting me. And if you're new here, then hi, I'm Avni. And while you're here, please hit the subscribe button. And I'm sure that you will not regret it. I will make sure that you don't regret it. Um, yeah, so now I won't hold you back any longer. You can please go ahead and watch me showing you my very weird but hilarious and cute greeting card. This is a greeting card that we made for Dad's birthday on in 2016. And this is what it says. Oh, so cute. And now, okay, so this greeting card that I'm about to show you is my favorite, okay, absolute favorite. डेट देख, it's 2006 meaning I was 7 years old. मैंने लिखा है हैप्पी बर्थडे मकरंद बाबा. And dude, look at the artistic क्या बोलते हैं qualities of this card. Happy birthday, I love you, thank you. From me to you, and this cake shifts from, and it's a cake, okay, I couldn't draw. See, it shifts from here to here. Oh my god. एंड ये मैंने कंसेप्ट देखा था आर्ट अटैक पे एंड मुझे बनाना था एंड आई रिमेम्बर माय आजोबा हेल्प मी डू दिस बिकॉज वो होल बनाना था, फिर वो रस्सी टाई करना था, तो दैट माय आजोबा डिड. ड्राइंग ऑब्वियसली आई डिड. लुक एट दिस. But oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. Disclaimer, I saw this card and I laughed so much. Because see, my father. Open the card. Oh my god. Bye bye, Baba. Happy journey. Be happy. I will miss you. This is one more card जो देख के मैं बहुत हंसी. Now open the card for surprise. Go on. 2009 है. And only from me, okay, not from Ananya. Go on. And on. And on. Surprise message. Happy birthday. What did you think surprise to be? Question mark question. Why am I attacking him on his birthday? Oh my god. Hi, hello. It's Wednesday today, and I was cleaning out another section of my house, and I found the absolute best thing ever. I'll show you in a second. Look at this t-shirt. Oh my god. Such an iconic piece. So I got it before my Justin ka concert, of course. I got it printed specifically 1 week prior to it, and I was super excited because वो जो photo है वो t-shirt पे, I was obsessed with that photo. I wanted to get it tattooed on my forehead. That was how much I was obsessed with it. I didn't have any Justin merch to wear to the concert, and I didn't want to go there as in like normal clothes, you know. I mean, of course, why would I? So I specifically went to a shop, got it printed on the t-shirt, and I wore that. I'll also insert a picture of me during the concert, like prior to the concert. So I'll insert it here. So yeah, that was how I looked, and I was extremely happy with the t-shirt, and I have kept it all these years. And वो बस एक कॉर्नर में पड़ा हुआ था in my house, and I cleaned that corner today and I found it, and I was like, a wave of nostalgia literally washed over me, and I'm just like, huh. So yeah, that was the update for today. So Thursday, Friday, yeah, Saturday ko to we are shifting. So 2 more days to go. Oh my god, it's getting too real. I have just set up the camera on the tripod, and I hope it doesn't fall because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो गिरने वाला है. Oh my god, that is the worst part of like wanting to make a sit down video because वो setup करने में like it takes me almost like 10 साल. Anyway, I hope nobody comes. Okay, so today is Wednesday night, and no, Thursday night. What the hell? I shot Wednesday yesterday. No, हाँ, today is Thursday night, and आज बहुत सारा shifting हो गया, like a lot. So इसीलिए दिन भर मुझे I did not get time because I was so busy. Finally I got some time, so I decided कि आज का थोड़ा कुछ shoot कर ले to like talk about my feelings because I did not really delve into those. And honestly, I don't think if I would like to because I have not dealt with them myself internally. I mean, of course, I have cried a lot because I hate change. Okay, so while I was shooting, my dad came in the room, तो मुझे पूरा setup like हटाना पड़ा. because I get very awkward, okay? So अभी मुझे वापस सेट करना पड़ेगा मेरा ट्राइपॉड यार.
I hate this. I hate it so much. God.
It's gonna take me another 10 years now. I'll see you when I get like, I was gonna say 80, but 10 साल में मैं 80 नहीं होने वाली. Okay. I think this will work for now. So where was I? I was saying कि I have not dealt with those emotions internally yet. I mean, of course, I have cried a lot when I got the news कि we are shifting houses, because I have been in this house since 20 years and I am 24. Okay, so मेरे पहले के 4 साल तो मुझे याद भी नहीं. So as long as I can remember, I have been in this house itself. It's going to be like a major change in my life, and like I can't comprehend it. And कितना भी रो लूं मुझे लगता है कि it's not enough, because I have not grieved the loss of this house. And oh my god, I can feel the tears coming up. I'm just gonna try to not have a full blown crying session in front of you, because honestly अभी मैं मेरा नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन कर रही थी. एंड आई वॉज वंडरिंग, बिकॉज मेरे दिमाग में था कि हाँ मुझे एक यूट्यूब वीडियो, मतलब वो पार्ट शूट करना है फॉर द यूट्यूब वीडियो. सो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि मैं करूँ अभी स्किन केयर की रहने दूँ, because if I apply all these serums and moisturizer and whatnot, and then if at the end of the day I'm just gonna cry over it, so it's a waste. Waste of my energy and my money and my product, of course. But ठीक है, मैंने भी लगा तो दिया है, तो let's hope that I don't cry. I was just saying that this home is a part of me, and I feel like I'm letting a part of me go, and that just makes me so sad. And I don't know, dude. I just feel like this house. Oh my god! I don't, give me a sec. Yeah, so I was just saying, कि, this house has literally seen my ups and my downs, and it's just such a difficult thing. So tonight is the second last night in this house, and it's just getting sadder by the minute, because like literally since the last 1 week, everything that I have done, ऐसा मेरे दिमाग में चलता है कि हाँ this is the last time you're gonna do. Like for example, I ordered food from Zomato on I think day before yesterday. तो मेरे दिमाग में आ गया this is the last time you're ordering food in this home. I was like, oh my god, stop. So like चीजें, like little things like that. Like for example, कल मैं मेरे बाल धोने वाली हूँ, तो मेरे दिमाग में है कि this is the last time you're gonna wash your hair in this house. And I don't know if I'm just being like totally crazy right now for crying over that, but it's too emotional for me. Okay, let's take another breather. Is it just me, or do you think my nose is getting redder or something? Okay, I have no other words right now. I'm gonna be more of a wreck tomorrow and the day that I actually leave. But okay, this was the update for today. I think मैं इतना ही बोल पाऊंगी, because I tried my best to not like have a full blown breakdown on camera, because I don't want to embarrass myself like that. Because imagine I'm watching this video in say like 30 years time, and I'm looking at this clip, and I'm like, what the hell are you doing? Why are you making such a big deal? Why are you crying? Like, I don't want to do that to my future self. So we are not gonna do that. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow and then the day after. See you. Hi, hello. It's the next day, Friday evening to be precise. And I'm so beyond tired. आज भी बहुत सारा shifting हुआ. I'm drained out.
I'm dead.
So this is officially the last night in this house, and um, I don't feel as emotional as I thought I would. Maybe because I've been constantly and consciously try to avoid those feelings. Like जब भी वो thought आता है कि like we are leaving tomorrow, I promptly like push it aside, like to the darkest corner of my brain. So मतलब इसीलिए मे बी मैं इतनी इमोशनल नहीं फील कर रही, बट मे बी आई विल टुनाइट व्हाइल आई गो टू स्लीप, बिकॉज क्या मालूम। बट राइट नाउ I feel okay. मतलब I don't feel overly excited. Definitely, I'm excited for the new beginning because new house, new memories, of course. You know, people say कि home is not the four walls. Home is the people that make the house into a home. But honestly, I think it's both the things combined. Obviously, people make the house a home, but it's also the place itself. Matlab, for me at least, I feel extremely attached to everything in this house, right from this bed to this artwork on my wall. It's the place itself is a huge attachment for me. But ठीक है, it's okay because the new place भी बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है and I am in love with it already. So ठीक है, I'm doing okay. Yeah, nothing else to report. The main shifting will happen tomorrow, where there will be like tons of boxes that we have to move from this place to that place. And आज का दिन ही इतना tiring था. I don't know what's gonna happen by tomorrow evening or tomorrow night, क्योंकि I'm gonna be like fully exhausted. My God. But ठीक है. Very much looking forward to it, but also not looking forward to it. So that's like conflicted feelings. But yeah, to new beginnings. Hello, good morning. It's the day of shifting and the movers and packers are here. So अभी सब कुछ boxes में pack हो रहा है. I'll show you in a second. Hi, it's the day after the shifting because kal I was extremely tired, dead. I was dead, and I fell asleep as soon as my head hit the pillow. So I could not shoot yesterday ka portion. So इसलिए you have me today. We are done with the arrangement of the house. Like the house is set now, fully set, fully functional. And we did it in the time span of 1.5 days. And I'm very proud of how fast we worked together. तो because people were saying कि हाँ 1 week तो लग जाएगा, 1 महीना लग जाएगा, but I was like नहीं, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में था कि like मुझे मैक्स टू मैक्स ये वीकेंड में ही कंप्लीट करना था. So that's what I did. So I was very happy about it. I'll give you the room tour sometime later on because मतलब the room is set. सिर्फ like see the पीछे ना there are going to be 3 paintings that my grandma made. Those are the paintings of moon in different phases. They are very pretty. I have them sitting right over there right now. तो वो अभी उसमें fix होना बाकी है. तो ऐसे छोटे मोटे थोड़े फार चीज़ें बाकी है. तो once that is done, then I'll give you the room tour. But बाकी, so yesterday night was easy for me to get through because I was very tired. So like I said, कि I just slept instantly like Nobita. And today also like कल almost I would say 40% of the नहीं हाँ 40% of the house was done yesterday, and फिर आज remaining 60% we did. तो आज भी I am extremely tired, but I was like क्योंकि आज Sunday है and I have to upload this tomorrow, so I was like at least मैं बैठ के कुछ तो like बोल दूँ. तो yeah, this is where we are right now. So yeah, मतलब I missed the old house yesterday also थोड़ा बहुत like रात को सोते time, but ठीक है, मतलब I am okay. I am grieving and I'm moving on while still holding huge amount of love for that house in my heart, and that is always going to be there क्योंकि obviously such a huge connection. But ठीक है, I love this house also, so it's going good. So yeah, I think I'll end the video here. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Avni. Please hit the subscribe button down below. Okay, I think I'm gonna go sleep now because I'm so tired. I'll see you in the next video on next Monday. Bye bye.